In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Notepad in a new window. If you've noticed that Notepad sometimes opens new tabs instead of separate windows, especially on newer versions of Windows 11, don't worry. I'll walk you through a few simple ways to open a completely new Notepad window, and you can use whichever method feels most natural to you. Let's start with the quickest keyboard method. With Notepad already open, press Ctrl and N together. On many systems, this creates a fresh Notepad window. On others, it may open a new tab, depending on your settings. If you see a tab instead of a new window, that just means tabs are enabled, so try one of the next approaches to force a separate window. Another easy way is to launch a second instance from Windows Search. Press the Windows key and S to open search. Type Notepad, then click Notepad in the results to launch it again. Because you're starting a separate instance, this opens in its own window, independent of any Notepad window you already have open. It's a reliable method if you prefer using the keyboard and quick search. If you keep Notepad pinned on your taskbar, there's a handy shortcut to force Windows to open a new window. Hold down the Shift key, then click the Notepad icon on the taskbar. That Shift click tells Windows to open another instance, even if tabs are enabled. It works quickly and doesn't change any settings, so it's great when you need multiple windows only occasionally. If you always want new windows instead of tabs, you can change Notepad's behavior in Settings. Open Notepad, then click the gear icon to open Settings. Look for the section related to opening files or tabs behavior. Select the option that says Open in a new window. From now on, Notepad will create a separate window for each file you open or create, rather than placing them into tabs. This is ideal if you like arranging multiple notes side by side, or if you use different desktops and want one file per window. To recap, you can try Ctrl+N for a quick new window, use Windows Search to launch a second instance, shift-click the taskbar icon to force a new window, or change Notepad settings so new windows are always the default. Pick the approach that matches your workflow, and you'll be multitasking in Notepad with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy typing!